5 powerful ways the wealthy use LLCs to protect their assets and cut their taxes. Did you know that failing to use an LLC the right way could cost you thousands in taxes and even leave your assets completely exposed? Hi, I'm Mark Wisneski, certified planner and owner of Southern Incomes, where I help entrepreneurs and investors build, protect, and grow their wealth. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 key ways the wealthy use LLCs to safeguard their assets, reduce their taxes, and create financial freedom. Here's the truth. Most people either misuse LLCs or they don't fully understand how powerful they can be when used correctly. If you've ever wondered if an LLC is right for you, or if you already set one up but you're not sure if you're maximizing its potential capabilities, this video is for you. The biggest mistake I see business owners make is thinking that an LLC is another box to check on their tax return or something to do that makes them sound professional. But an LLC, when used strategically, is one of the most important tools for building your financial foundation. To understand where LLCs fit into the bigger picture, I introduce clients to the Business Blueprint Framework. It's a simple way to organize your operations, your assets, and your estate planning. And this framework ensures that every dollar you earn and every investment you make is protected, optimized for taxes, and aligned with your long-term goals. Here's the overview of the framework. Operations, that's your income-generating businesses. Assets, that's your wealth-building investments. Legacy planning, this is your trust and your estate foundation. Picture a triangle where each side is critical for building and preserving your wealth. Now, let's break down how LLCs fit into this framework and the 5 ways the wealthy use them. Number 1, protect your investments with a holding LLC. The first and by far the most common use of an LLC is to protect your investments. Whether it's real estate, stocks, crypto, or even private notes, you can use a holding LLC to shield these assets from liability. Here's how it works. Imagine you own a rental property and a tenant decides to sue you. If you don't have that property inside an LLC, your personal assets, say your home, your car, and all of your savings could be at risk. A holding LLC creates a wall of protection around those investments. A real-world example is, let's say you're a real estate investor in Florida and you own 3 properties. Instead of holding them in your personal name, you set up a Florida LLC for each property, or you could group them strategically. This way, if there's a lawsuit tied to just one of the properties, the others and your personal assets are untouchable. The key takeaway here is, an LLC doesn't just protect your assets, it gives you privacy and peace of mind. Number 2, simplify and protect your business operations. Next up is the operational LLC, used for businesses generating income. This one is perfect for side hustles and freelancing, consulting, or even brick and mortar stores. Why? Because running a business without an LLC means any liability falls directly on you. Not only your assets at risk, but you're also losing out on key tax benefits. For example, let's say you're a photographer making $50,000 a year on the side. By setting up an operational LLC, you separate your personal finances from your business income, you unlock tax write-offs for equipment, and you protect yourself from lawsuits. Plus, it's much easier to scale when you're structured as a business entity. Number 3, lower your taxes with an LLC taxed as an S corporation. Here's where we start to save serious money. Once your operational LLC starts making $50,000 or more in profit, you need to consider converting it to an S corporation. Why? Because S corporations help you avoid self-employment taxes on a big chunk of your income. How it works. Let's say you're netting $75,000 a year from your business. As a regular LLC, you'll pay 15.3% in self-employment tax on that full amount. That's over $11,000 in just one tax alone. But with an S corporation, you can split that income into a reasonable salary. In this case, let's say it's $30,000, and distributions. In this case, that would be $45,000. You'd only pay self-employment tax on the $30,000, saving you thousands of dollars. A pro tip here is this strategy unlocks even more tax savings with tools like the Solo 401k, which I'll cover in a future video. Number 4, manage partnerships the right way. If you're teaming up with someone for a business or investment, you need a partnership LLC. This structure defines roles and responsibilities and ownership shares so there's no confusion or lawsuits down the road. For example, imagine you and a friend buy a rental property together. Without an LLC, any disagreements could turn into a legal nightmare. A partnership LLC puts everything in writing, from profit splits to who handles the day-to-day operations. Number 5, build wealth with an IRA LLC. Lastly, let's talk about how the ultra-wealthy supercharge their retirement accounts with an IRA LLC. Did you know that you can invest your retirement funds in real estate, crypto, or even private businesses? With a self-directed IRA LLC, you can take full control of your investments and grow your wealth tax-deferred or even tax-free if you happen to be using a Roth IRA. For example, imagine you're using your Roth IRA to buy a rental property that generates $10,000 a year in cash flow. Because it's in your IRA LLC, you're not paying taxes on that income. And when you retire, all the gains are tax-free. This strategy isn't just for millionaires. It's for anyone ready to think outside of the box and grow their wealth strategically. Now that you know the 5 ways to use LLCs to protect your assets, save on taxes, and build wealth, the next step is simple. Let's get your blueprint in place. Book a consultation with me today at Southern Incomes. We'll dive into your specific situation, we'll design the right LLC strategy for you, and ensure that you're set up for long-term success. Click the link below to schedule your session, and let's make sure you're building your business and your legacy the right way. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more actionable tax and business advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.